Hi, Mela.
Teacher,
How are you, Mela?
I'm great.
Okay, that's good. What did you do today, Mela? What did you do
Go
today?
to school.
Oh, okay. And that sounds fun, Mela. What subject did you learn at school today? What
Uh,
subject?
Math,
Math.
English.
Math and English. I see. Okay. Well, that's good to know, Mela. What about after our class? Do you have to go to school again?
No,
Okay, not anymore. Okay, so now, Mela, we will have a new book. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to rewrite each sentence in the correct order. So you have to use full stops, capital letters, and question marks where necessary. Okay, so now can you answer the first one, Mela? What do you think is the answer in here?
um,
Can you use your pen, Mela? Do you know how to use your pen?
no,
Okay, I see. Now, can you see the word annotate, Mela? Annotate.
mm,
Click the word annotate.
Nhấp vào từ, chú thích.
Can you see it?
wait.
Okay.
This, you see?
Can you try to write? Can you try to write something on the screen? Okay, yes.
Uh,
Just like that, Mela. Okay, so can you tell me your answer for the first one?
mm,
Rewrite it, Mela. You have to use full stops, period, capital letters, questions, if it is necessary. Okay?
um,
Play at Roy, the playground. Is it?
um,
Is that your final answer, Mela?
right. At the, uh,
It's Roy plays at the playground.
I don't think the Roy is a name.
Yeah, it is a name, Mela. That is why, that is why in the instruction, Mela, it says that you have to use full stops, okay, capital letters, question marks where it is necessary. Okay. If it is necessary to capitalize the words, Mela, then you have to do it. Okay, just like in here. The word Roy, it is a name of a person, a name of a boy, Mela. So it's Roy plays at the playground. It is a sentence. Oh, wait, I forgot to put the period. Okay, and a period. Okay, there you have it, Mela. That is what you should do in this sentence. Remember that your sentence, it must start with a capital letter. Okay, and it must end with a period if it is a statement. If it's not, then it must end with a question mark. What about for two, Mela? You can do it, Mela. Take your time. What is your answer for two, Mela?
Hmm.
Okay, my uncle has a big farm. Yes, this is correct, Mela, but why didn't you capitalize the first letter of the word in your sentence? My. It has to be capitalized, Mela, my. And since it is a sentence, a statement, Mela, it must end with a period. Don't forget the period, Mela, to show that your sentence ends there. Okay? Next one, three.
Uh,
Okay, may I go to the toilet? Now, is this a statement, Bella, or a question? Is it a statement or a question? Is it a statement or a question?
Đây là câu khẳng định hay câu hỏi?
um, is a one question.
Yeah, it is a question. So we're going to put question mark, Mela. And this one, Mela, we don't write I this way. It has to be capitalized, Mela. May I go to the toilet? Just like this one. Okay. Now, what about for four?
Um,
Four.
hmm,
What do you think is the answer here, Mela? Take your time. That's fine.
wait.
That's okay. I'll wait for you, Mela. Okay, while you're still answering, Mela, I'll go grab a glass of water first. Okay, please take your time.
Hmm.
Okay, have you decided what to answer here, Mela?
Wait.
What is your answer? Okay, I will give you a hint. Mela, it starts with we. Okay, very good. Oh, Where is the punctuation, Mela? Don't forget to put the punctuation.
Đừng quên thêm dấu câu.
Okay, so it's period, right? Okay, we enjoy not very much the story, Mela. It's we enjoy the story very much. We enjoy the story very much. So it must comes first, Mela. This is one, and then this is the second one. Okay. We enjoy the story very much. That would be our answer here. Now, what about for five?
Hmm.
Hmm. You can do it, Mela. I believe in you, Mela. You've got this, Mela.
Why?
Wait, I am not pressuring you. Just take your time. That is totally fine. That's okay. Is it difficult, Mela?
Yeah.
But we have this one in our previous book. Unscrambling. Mm-hmm. Oh, you did not capitalize again, Mela.
Wait,
You did.
wait.
And what should we write? What should we put in here? A period, a question mark?
Wait.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now here read the text very loudly. This is right, Mela, except for the fact that yes, it has to be capitalized, Mela. That is correct. Correct, Mela, correct. Easy, right?
No.
No? Why? It's easy. We had the same activity in our previous book. Okay, so thank you, Mela. Now let us have the next one. Okay, so look at the picture above each blank and choose the correct word from the box to fill in each blank to complete the story. Okay, the title of this story is Jojo the Clown. Now, this is Jojo the Clown. He has a funny smile on
His his
his
his
on his What's this, Mela? Look at the picture.
his his head
His?
uh his
What do you call it, Mela?
his
It's not head. It is?
his 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 eye, right?
His face, Mela. Okay, a funny smile. Where can you see the
Uh,
smile? Of course, on a person's face. He has a red, round.
Round nose.
Okay, yes, very good. Red, round nose. He wears a blue hat on his.
His blue hat on in his head.
Okay, very good. On his head, he has yellow curly.
Curly curly hair.
Okay, he holds a bunch of big colorful balloons in his in his
Uh,
what do you think? In his
um
hmm
in
what do you think? In his
his head
head?
hair. Oh no, it's a hand.
Hand. Okay, yes. In his hand. Children love to watch him. He makes them laugh. Very good, Mila. Now let us have another one. In here, you have to look at the pictures and the following sentences. So you have to match it, Mila. Tell me what he is doing in that picture. Okay, so the first one, Mela, is this one. Can you tell me what is he doing in here? Is he brushes his teeth? Peter wakes up. He wears his school uniform. What is he doing here?
Uh, uh,
What is he doing, Mela? First, what is he doing in the first picture?
uh,
Is
get up.
So which one, Mela? Which one? Can you read it? It's
Uh,
Peter wakes up at 6:30 every morning. See? 6:30. Okay, so this is one, Mela. Okay, this is one. Now, what about for the second picture, Mela? Second one. This one. Can you read it? Can you read the answer?
he he brushes his teeth and washes his face.
Very good. The third one, Mela. Third one.
Uh, uh, he wear his school uniform and comb his hair.
Great job. Four, Mela.
Then he sit down to have a glass of milk and eat a sandwich for breakfast.
Okay, yes, that's right, Mela. Four. Now, what about this one?
Uh, Finally, he puts on
No, not
his
yet
sock.
finally.
Uh,
Oh, yes, yes, that's right, Mela. That's right.
what the
Okay. What did you say, Mela? What did you say?
no.
Okay, continue, Mela. Okay, and the last one.
At 7 o'clock, he leaves the house and walks to school.
Okay, yes, very good, Mela. What about you? Do you walk to school, Mela? Do you walk to school or no?
Now,
Oh, no. Is your school far from your house?
yeah,
Oh, okay,
uh,
I see. So your mom will drive a motorbike or maybe a car to send you to school.
yeah.
Okay, Mela. Now, let us have this one. Okay, so in here, Mela, you have, okay, in here, all you have to do is to rearrange them in correct order and tell the story according to the pictures. So, write the story below, Mela. Can you write a story? Wait, let me cover it first. Let us just have it in here, Mela. Okay, I will cover it. I will cover it and you have to tell me a story. Tell me a story. Do you understand the instruction, Mela? Do you understand the instruction?
Uh, huh?
I want you to write a story based on the pictures that you can see.
Tôi muốn bạn viết một câu chuyện dựa trên những bức tranh mà bạn nhìn thấy.
Okay, this one, Mela. In here. See, we're done talking about it, right? So now it is your turn to make a story.
He wake up at 6 o'clock.
6:30. Okay. He wakes up at 6:30 in the morning. Continue, Mela, continue.
Uh, um, he
What is he doing in here? He
he brush your teeth.
brushes his
He
teeth,
washing. He
washes, brushes, Mela,
washes.
brushes,
He
and washes
brushes his teeth
his
and
face.
his face. Uh, he wear a school
He put on,
uniform and comb hair. For he eats breakfast with bread and milk. 5. He wears sock and
on.
take
Mhm.
he take a sock and his shoes.
He put on his
Uh,
shoes
shoe.
and
Uh, uh, a 6 is uh he he finally at 7 o'clock he go to school.
okay, he went to school at 7 o'clock. Great job, Mela. What about you? What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school, Mela? Mela?
Uh,
7
uh
o'clock?
no.
Oh no. Okay, so what time do you go to school? Do you know what time you went to school, Mela?
9 a.m. 7:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. to Mini.
Ah, okay. So you have a lot of subjects. So it depends each day. Okay, thank you so much for sharing that, Mela. And next meeting, which is tomorrow, Mela will have this one. So we will focus on writing. So you will be able to enhance not only your speaking, Mela, but as well as your writing skills. And we'll focus that tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much for your time, Mela. Have a fun day with your family. Goodbye, Mela.
Bye, teacher.